Welcome to Homework Lib.
Hi, so with this question we're dealing with the titration of 25 milliliters, 0.1 molar concentration of hydrochloric acid, that is a strong acid, that is going to be titrated with a strong base with the same concentration. The strong base employed is sodium hydroxide. And we want to calculate the pH after adding 15 milliliters of base. So the first thing that we need to do is calculate the total volume that we're going to get at that point. That total volume is going to be 25 milliliters that I had initially from my solution plus 15 milliliters that I had from the addition. So this is going to be 40 milliliters or 4 times 10 to the minus 2 liters. Next thing that we need is the amount of mole of H2O plus that we're going to have in solution at the beginning. That is going to be, remembering that molarity is equal to amount of mole divided by volume. Amount of mole will be molarity times the volume. So the initial volume for my solution of hydrochloric acid, remember this is a strong acid, so it dissociates completely. And it's going to be 25 milliliters transformed to liters. I simply need to multiply by times 10 to the minus 3, multiply by the concentration that I'll get. I can do the same thing for the OH minus that I'm going to add. In this case, the quantity changes a little bit. I added 15 milliliters instead of 25, and the concentration is the same. So the results are 2.5 times 10 to the minus 3 and 1.5 times 10 to the minus 3 mole, respectively. This is mole of H2O plus and mole of OH minus. So now we can go ahead and look at the reaction of H2O plus with OH minus in solution in order to generate water. We're going to do our ice table in terms of amount of mole. Of H2O plus, we have 2.5 times 10 to the minus 3. Of OH minus, 1.5 times 10 to the minus 3. The limiting reagent is going to be OH minus, so minus 1.5 times 10 to the minus 3, minus 1.5 times 10 to the minus 3. And finally, doing the subtraction, I'm going to get 1 times 10 to the minus 3 and something close to 0. So now with this, I can calculate the concentration of H2O plus using the amount of mole divided by my total volume. The amount of mole that I have is 1 times 10 to the minus 3 mole, and the total volume is 4 times 10 to the minus 2, as we did the calculation at the very beginning. So this concentration corresponds to 0.025 molar, and the pH is going to be minus logarithm of the concentration of H2O plus. Remember, this is logarithm base 10, and it's going to be 1.6. And this will be our final answer. Thank you very much.